Yes, it's my house. Right now, we're in Hurricane Gusto.
10 o'clock.
And it's 10 o'clock.
In the morning.
We lost power right when it was breakfast time at around 8. Right now, we're taking heavy wind and lots of rain. As you can see, our pool is filling up, but it's draining out smoothly. And one of the levees in New Orleans is overflowing with water. And it's hitting a factory of some sort. So this is a hurricane. It's not so bad, but it should be. Yes. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do.